I love me some salmon burnt ends, so let me show you how I make them. I'm going to start by removing the skin from a piece of center cut salmon, and I'm going to cube up the thicker pieces into 1-inch cubes, and I am leaving the thin side for my puppers. Good boy. Seasoning with Suckle Buster's SPG Hot. Y'all, this stuff is so good. A little splash of lime juice. I thought I had real limes, so forgive me for the bottled crap. I'm going to put this on the smoker at 225 degrees for about an hour. I'm going to make my glaze, Japanese barbecue sauce, Mike's Hot Honey, a little splash of mirin. If you don't have any mirin, a splash of vinegar and a little bit of sugar works, and some gochujang. Give it a taste. It's perfect. That's what the bites are going to look like after about an hour. Pour that glaze on, put them in a pan, back on the smoker for about 20-25 minutes, and they're going to look like this. I served them up healthy this time in a bowl with some purple coconut rice, bok choy, topped with some avocado lime cream and some sesame seeds, green onions. Look how gorgeous that is, and it tastes even better. Hope you guys enjoy.